channel. It's Katie here and thanks for joining in. Let's just make sure, for one, that you are subscribed to this channel so you can see recreations, makeup tutorials, fun stuff every week. So Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and if you're with your partner, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, or if you're just by yourself, why not dress up? So today's look is very girly, it's very flirty. Something I would definitely wear on Valentine's just because I feel very pretty. It's got some pinks, I have blue eyes, that sort of goes really well together. Very easy, and it's really hot in here. It's summer right now, I'm dying, and there's no aircon in this room. Anyway, subscribe to this channel, enjoy this video, thumbs it up, and I'll see you now. I'm going to be using two primers today because I have some big pores, my skin's pretty dry, so I'm going to be using the Maybelline Smooth Primer, which is a silicone based primer, and for hydration I'm going to be using the Bourjois Paris Happy Light Base Serum Primer. For foundation, I'm just going to go in with this Healthy Mix by Bourjois Paris. This is the shade 52, I think. It is a light to medium coverage. I don't want anything too full coverage because I still want to look like me by the end of the process. All that foundation did is just sort of give me a clean slate. It hasn't really covered too much because it was a medium, light medium coverage. So I'm going with two different concealers today. Under my eyes, I'll be going with my Nars Soft Matte Cream Concealer. I love this. It's in shade 2.5, which is Creme Brulee. And then for spot concealing, I'll be using the Naked Skin in the shade... I don't know. Just to set that down, I'm using this really old, dodgy one. This is the Thin Lizzy foundation, powder foundation. It's just I've run out of every other pressed powder. To warm up my complexion, I'll be using this is the Beach Please Bronzing and Contouring Powder by Misslyn. It's really cute, and it's just gonna warm up my complexion a little bit. For blush, I'll be using this Mecca Max blush in Golden Glow. Just a sample one, I use it all the time. Because we're going for a soft floaty look, I want to keep my brows quite natural and like soft. So I'm going to be using brow powder today. I don't really own a brow powder anymore. I'm just going to use this. This is the Zoeva Cocoa Blend palette. I'm just taking the shade Beans of White. Just a very dark brown. I'm just going to fill them in very lightly. Now that we have our brows back on, I'm going with the eyeshadow, and today I'll be using the BH Cosmetics Carli Byble Deluxe palette. I thought for Valentine's, you know, usual girly pink shades, and this has pretty much everything you need for this look in it. I already set down my eyes with concealer and powder, so we have a nice smooth canvas to work with. First off, taking this shade just here, and I'm just going to use this as a crease and transition shade, just on a nice fluffy brush. Pretty much in between every shadow that I'm going to apply, I'm just going to take a clean blending brush and just buff out every edge so everything is going to look super smooth and not defined, just diffused. For my actual lid shade, I will be using a Colourpop. This is the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in Bubbly. It is just a really pretty girly pink shade. I'm just going to apply that with my finger straight over the lid area. And taking that clean brush and just buffing out those edges. Just to darken up the outer corner, I'll be taking this mauve shade here. Mauve, purple, mauve, I don't know. Just on an angled fluffy brush. Going in with that brush again. I'm trying to round the shape because I find a round eye is a bit more flirty and girly versus a cat eye shape. To highlight the brow bone, I'm just going to take this matte bone shade. I just didn't want anything more sparkly because I'm going to add some sparkle to the inner corner. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go back in with those outer crease shades and just slightly smoke it out in the lower lash line. For our inner corner highlight, there is this highlight shade for your face down here that is very, very pink, and I think that would just go really, really well with this look. That's what the eye look looks so far. I'm just going to do everything I just did on the other side. Next up is eyeliner. I'm just going in with a pencil eyeliner on my top lash line. I'm using the Essence Kajal pencil and number 8 Teddy, and I'm actually just going to draw a really thin line just on the middle to outer half, and then I'm just going to smudge it out slightly with a very, very flat, like, flat brush. For highlights today, I will be using a mixture of these two guys here. I will be applying falsies today, but just a very, very natural pair. These pair are from Eylure. It's kind of hard to see, but they're very, very natural looking. They're like just an extension of my own lashes, which is perfect for this look. I can't remember the exact number, but I'll try and find it and I'll link it below. I also will be applying these off camera because it's like so hard to apply these on camera. So hard. For lips today, I'll be using two from Colourpop. This is the Alexa Rain Colourpop Ultra Satin in Bare Necessities. This will be using as my base colour, and on top of that I wanted a bit of a gloss, so I'm using the Ultra Lippy Gloss in Lychee Me. Look off, I'm going to spritz my face with Max Fix Plus and then sort of pat it down with my beauty blender just to get rid of any powderiness or something there is. There we have it, guys. This was today's Valentine's inspired makeup. If you did like this video, smash that like button and subscribe to this channel, and look out for new videos every week. Bye guys.